Good evening, Namaskar. Thank you for joining in for another exciting episode of Carlo.in presents Saturday Startup. मैं सुजय गुप्ता आप सभी का बहुत बहुत स्वागत करता हूँ। लास्ट वीक हम लोग मिले मेरे बहुत अच्छे मित्र से श्री राजेश बलवानी जी, जिनके साथ की हमने बहुत सारी मजेदार बातें। हमारी आज की गेस्ट थिएटर की एक ऐसी अभिनेत्री है जिन्होंने अपने कॉमेडी रोल से हम सबके दिलों में जगह बना ली। कल हो ना हो में स्वीटू का किरदार निभाने वाली इस अभिनेत्री ने अमिताभ बच्चन, शाहरुख खान, अक्षय कुमार, प्रीति जिंटा जैसे एक्टर्स के साथ बहुत ही मजेदार रोल्स किए हैं। सो लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन, प्लीज जॉइन मी इन वेलकमिंग द वेरी हिलेरियस एंड वेरी चीयरफुल दिलनाज़ ईरानी। लेट्स कनेक्ट विद हर। दिलनाज़ ईरानी, welcome to our show. Thank you for coming. Thank you for joining with all our audiences and people have been eagerly waiting. आपका बहुत देर से बेसब्री से इंतजार हो रहा था। तो हमारे काफी सारे ऐसे दर्शक हैं जो देखने के लिए उत्सुक हैं। आपका प्रोमो देख के लोगों ने बहुत सारे हमें कमेंट्स किए हैं एंड वो सभी ये सबसे पहले यही जानना चाह रहे हैं, ये इंस्टॉलमेंट वाला लॉकडाउन चल रहा है, कभी खुल जाता है, कभी बंद हो जाता है, कभी फिर लॉकडाउन हो जाता है, ये आपके साथ क्या ट्रीटमेंट कर रहा है?
पहले तो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी ऑन दिस शो सुजय। शो और सुजय, इट्स लाइक अ टंग ट्विस्टर। एनीवे, सो आई एम वेरी हैप्पी टू बी हियर एंड बहुत ये मेरा पहला जूम इंटरव्यू है एक्चुअली।
वाओ,
यू नो, या, सो इट्स अ न्यू एक्सपीरियंस फॉर मी के not very savvy with all this, but I've just tried and you helped me out, so thank you so much. And बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आप लोगों के साथ Saturday Stardom में बात करके. So yeah, your question was कि ये lockdown period, yes, it's firstly I would like to say that it's very very confusing right now what is happening. खुल रहा है, बंद हो रहा है, खुल रहा है, it's like खुल जा सिम so काफी हद तक थोड़ा सा confused state में है सब लोग, but overall if I tell you सुजय कि ये जो लॉकडाउन में ना, आई थिंक मैं मेरी पर्सनल बात करूंगी एंड आई एम श्योर कुछ लोग मेरी बातों से इंस्पायर हो ही जाएंगे, बिकॉज मेरा ये पर्सनल एक्सपीरियंस है कि मैंने बहुत कुछ सीखा, मैंने बहुत कुछ अनलर्न भी किया एंड एक छोटी सी बात कहूंगी जो मैं हमेशा सबके साथ जो बातें होती है मैं डिस्कस करती रहती हूँ कि ना लाइफ में जो छोटी छोटी चीजों की जरूरत होती है वो इस लॉकडाउन ने सिखाया कि बस इतना ही चाहिए. You know, this is all that we need. And when I open my cupboard and when the clothes come out like, you know, falling on me, I tell myself that this is not it, because you know, when such things happen, they make you realize कि आप बस इतनी ही आपकी जिंदगी होनी चाहिए. आपके कुछ लोग होते हैं जो आपके साथ होते हैं. एंड जिस तरह से पर्सी ने मुझे इस लॉकडाउन में सपोर्ट किया, जहाँ पे मेड्स नहीं थी, कुछ नहीं था, तो एक कुछ भी ये नहीं मान के कि आदमी का ये काम होता है, औरत का ये काम होता है. हम दोनों ने मिलके घर का काम किया, हम दोनों ने मिलके इस सफर में साथ दिया एक दूसरे का. एंड you learn so much out of this, right. And you realize so much. And I feel the happiness that I've got with these little things is just mind blowing. You know, like I thought I could never cook. I cooked, and I cooked great food, and Percy loved it. And then I thought I could not, you know, इतनी सारी cleaning कैसे करूँगी, but कर ली. वेट थोड़ा रिड्यूस हुआ, लेकिन फिर भी रिड्यूस नहीं हुआ, जितना था उतना ही है. सो हर चीज में कहीं ना कहीं मजा भी आया, कहीं फ्रस्ट्रेट भी हो गए, कभी कुछ नरम गरम चलता रहा, जैसे जिंदगी होनी चाहिए।
आपके बारे में वैसे सब लोग बोलते हैं कि आपको नींद बहुत पसंद है, नींद पूरी हुई?
नींद तो भाई मैक्सिमम। I feel both of us have rested enough in this lockdown, and I think it was kind of God sent for most of us. It was God sent to say, hold on, hold it, because we're always running, we're always into something, and especially in metros, this has become like a very small town life.
Yes, yes, even I feel that एकदम शांत, एकदम लाइफ हो गई है,
ज्यादा शांत, कुछ करने को ही नहीं है। मतलब ऐसा लग रहा है कि आप गोवा में हो, आप सुबह उठते हो 11 बजे, आप चाय पीते हो, आप अपने ही स्पीड पे काम कर रहे हो, आप फिर खाना खाते हो, आप वापस सो जाते हो, फिर 4 बजे जग के वापस चाय पीते हो। थोड़ा सा आप हिले डुले, थोड़ा चले, घर पे कुछ योगा वोगा किया, अच्छे से आपका दिन एकदम आराम से कट जाता है। It's very, but for us it's very simple to say all this, but actually for people who have had the tough times in this lockdown, I mean, definitely from my end, whatever I could in my little own sweet way, I've tried to help a lot of people, which was my doing, which I believe that जिनको मेरी मदद चाहिए थी, जिस हद तक मैं जा सकती थी, I have gone and helped those people out. But overall what I see, and एक हद तक तो सुजय न्यूज़ भी नहीं देखना चाहते हम लोग, because everything has just suddenly become so negative, and जितना आप पॉजिटिव रहने की कोशिश करते हो, कहीं ना कहीं वो कुछ देखकर या पढ़ के आपको नेगेटिव न्यूज़ मिल ही जाती है। But I would still say, in spite of all that, I think if you have it in you to be positive, I think nobody can stop that. You just say that this period all in, and I think हम सब एक साथ, the whole world is into this together, and I think we're just going to sail through. So it's like that. And like I said, few days you will wake up very happy, few days you will wake up thoda sad, few days, but then just like kind of just cut off the sadness and just kind of gear up for better things. So I kind of, what we did initially when it started, we were like, yaar ye kya hoga, kaise hoga, but then we got used to it. Pura din kaam mein lag gaya, then we used to listen to some music, we would watch Netflix, we would watch shows, and a lot more other things. Like I like Zumba, so few days I did that. When we were allowed in the building dance.
It's too difficult for me to do Zumba. It's just too difficult.
So a lot of people may think it's difficult for me too, but I'm like kind of flexible. So हो जाता है मेरे से।
आपका वैसे आपका जो एक पेट नेम है, जब people call you by, you have this name Bubbly and Delu. How did it come? मतलब ये सिर्फ nature से आपका नाम, you have such a bubbly nature also to motivate and inspire people with happiness. Is it to do with your
Bubbly was actually my first screen name. जो मेरी पहला मेरा daily soap था, पहला show था मेरा आशीर्वाद, that show was called Ashirwad on Z. It was years back, somewhere around 98, 99 I'm talking. And उस show में मेरा नाम Bubbly था. So I think few people remember that. Delu was just an industry name, I guess, given by just people.
And like Shruti Panwar and all, ये लोग सब आपको Delu ही बोलते हैं.
Yeah, Delu. It's all my friends, family, everybody. Delnas का Delu is very obvious, So yeah. And then of course Sweetu was my Kal Ho Na Ho का नाम, so Sweetu भी बुलाते हैं लोग, and I guess it's a good feeling, because all are sweet names after all, so whatever they call, it's fine.
ऐसे Sweetu से मुझे याद आया, Kal Ho Na Ho was a major career break that you had, and कहीं मैंने पढ़ा था that you used to keep on staring at Shahrukh bhai. Was that sweet little crush that you had or something?
Yeah, it was also crush, and it was obviously we were all, I mean, as somebody much junior, and that was my first film, Sujay. So I was like in awe of him. You know, every step. Like I remember going into one of his scenes and actually asking him during his rehearsal time that, you know, Shah Rukh, I really want to know how do you modulate this thing. Of course, even I'm a theatre person. But the way he was doing it, remembering all his lines, and you know, really getting into the nitty-gritties of the entire scene. And there's one thing about Shah Rukh Khan, that he only does not look at his character and himself. He also sees the overall जो सीन बनता है, उनको भी मतलब सारे कैरेक्टर्स को साथ में देखते हैं, पूरे सीन को एक साथ देखते हैं. तो basically he's like when he's in the scene, he's like the captain of the ship. With the director. So it's very nice because, you know, he's such a senior artist. I really love him. So he's a superstar, and he's got that aura. He's got a very positive aura. And I was only staring at him for a couple of days, and then, you know, I had to snap out because I had to do scenes with him. So, but having said that, God has been really kind. We had some wonderful scenes, and I didn't fumble, I didn't forget. I did a great job. And I'm blessed that today, after 16 years, people do remember Sweetu in the same light as Aman and Naina, which is a very big thing. So,
Apne to Bigg Boss was also such a huge success. You did a very good participation in Nach Baliye. Which format did you like better, Bigg Boss or Nach Baliye?
Both the shows are very different, Sujay. So Nach Baliye was a talent-based dance reality show. I think Nach Baliye had its own flavor. I would definitely say Nach Baliye a little more than Bigg Boss because it was a first reality show ever. So for the entire nation, it was. See, there are so many dance shows. So भले आप एक देखो, आप दूसरा नहीं देखो, चलेगा. लेकिन Nach Baliye nobody could miss because it was a very first of its kind. You see, and Bigg Boss जो मैंने season की season हो चुके हैं. I was in the 6th season. Whereas Nach Baliye, I was in season 1. So the novelty, the whole ambience, everything was so like the audience wanted more from us, you know, and so all that was there in Nach Baliye. And of course, Bigg Boss. When by the time I got into the season, it was the biggest reality show ever. So you as an artist, I feel you need to have a body of work that people can remember for years. And I can very proudly say that in a show like Bigg Boss also, if you can make a mark after about Bigg Boss 6 मैं थी, and आज Bigg Boss 14 होने जा रहा है. So after 7 years also, people do remember me from Bigg Boss, which is something that I really love. So people love Sweetu, people love Delnaz as she was in Bigg Boss. People love Kavita of Yes Boss, the show that ran for 9 years. So, and people per se think of me as a very positive person. That is a very big thing. So it's a big achievement, you see.
So actually,
sorry, you were saying something.
So वो जो bubbly नाम है, वो actually you are actually living up to that name.
Thank you so much.
I've actually seen you in a lot of comic roles and funny roles. But आजकल इतना आज एक crime genre चल रहा है. कभी ऐसा मन नहीं करता कि यार कुछ ऐसा CBI investigation analyst type role अच्छा सा करूँ मैं.
As an actor, of course, you do want to do a lot of stuff. And I do feel the void right now because, I am no more, I can be called bubbly, I can be called Sweetu, but I am no more now in my 20s and 30s. I have grown up also. So अगर मास्टर राजू थे, जो मास्टर राजू छोटे थे, अब मास्टर राजू बड़े भी तो हो गए ना, तो अगर वो सिर्फ मास्टर राजू टाइप के रोल्स करेंगे 50 की उम्र में, तो वो वो चलता नहीं है. So I am as an artist definitely looking for like beyond Sweetu, beyond bubbly, beyond honey, beyond Delu. I am looking at a platform where as an artist I get that that desire to do very many roles, and I want to do all of that. I want to explore. But एक इमेज है ना हमारी इंडस्ट्री में, एक इमेज बहुत बड़ी चीज है. जो छप्पा लग गया वो ठप्पा लग गया. अभी like I would love to play a nice Indian mother to a hero or a heroine. I would love to play a mom to somebody. I would love to play something negative. I would love to play Shades of Grey. I would love to play something different. मेरी एक बहुत प्यारी फिल्म YouTube पे है जिसका नाम है My Mother's Wedding. That film was superb, and it had that mother-son relationship वाला पूरा premise है. So I would definitely tell your viewers that if they've not seen that on YouTube, they must see My Mother's Wedding to see Delnaz in a different light, you see. So I'm waiting for makers to actually approach me for something different.
Okay.
So that at one point, I have started feeling that, I'm quite underrated an actor in the industry. जो मुझे मिलना चाहिए था, वो मुझे शायद थोड़ा कम मिला है, as an actor.
Yes.
Yeah, maybe. But overall, because I'm a happy person, I don't show it, and it's not in my nature to be always, But somewhere I do feel the pitch. You see.
Okay.
So.
Right.
Let's see. Maybe someone is listening to you.
Yes. I was about to say this. I was actually about to say this. A lot of people are getting ideas now. हाँ यार ये तो हमने सोचा ही नहीं था.
Yeah.
So Delnaz, we have a new round that is called the one word, one line answer. So I'm going to ask you a few questions जिसमें एक word या एक line में आपको answer देना है. Are you ready for it?
Yes, I'm ready for it.
Okay. What do you prefer more, cocktails or mocktails?
Mocktails. I don't drink.
Oh, solves it. What's your favorite cuisine?
Chinese.
Nice. What
Chinese?
You must be seeing a lot of these series on the OTT platforms. Any favorite series?
Criminal Justice is my all-time favorite, and as of now, there's Arya, which I really love.
Apart from acting, one thing that you really love the most?
Dancing.
Yeah? Who's your favorite music band?
Music band?
Yeah.
Okay, so there were like my all-time favorite is Madonna. I have never, I'm talking mere zamane ka. So I used to like this band called Pet Shop Boys a lot.
Oh yes. Beautiful.
Yeah, and of course, Wham.
Wham was also there. Yes.
George Michael, yes.
George Michael. Right.
So, yeah.
Beaches or mountains?
Both, actually. Both.
Okay.
Yes.
So your retirement plan?
Okay, mountains.
Mountains. Okay.
Yeah.
What do you prefer during a night out? Girl gang or a quiet dinner?
Percy is sitting here. He's listening. Okay. Quiet dinner. Let me be safe.
I understand. Percy,
Lockdown, let me be safe.
Okay.
Otherwise.
What's your favorite movie ever?
Curse. Rishi Kapoor's Curse.
Oh, nice. One favorite thing in your closet right now?
Favorite thing?
Yeah.
In my closet right now is a very pretty Reena Dhaka has just gifted me a very pretty top. So she just sent it. I walked the ramp for her for Lakme Fashion Week last year.
Okay.
I was a showstopper for the plus size bag. Yeah.
Best gift you've received? This is the last question.
Best gifts that I've received. I think all the gifts that Percy has given me, because he surprises me like, to the T. His surprises are awesome. So I think whatever Percy has gifted me has always been like, wow.
So मतलब वो हर बार गिफ्ट का एक बेंचमार्क अलग खड़ा हो जाता है.
हाँ, मतलब it necessarily should not be like, you know, it may not be very expensive or it may not be like, he loves gadgets. So every time मेरे फोन में कुछ थोड़ी सी भी प्रॉब्लम होती है ना, तो फोन चेंज कर देते हैं, फोन चेंज कर. Like, you can't change the phone all the time.
He loves gadgets ना, तो वो नई टेक्नोलॉजी आएगी तो he would also get something out of it, no?
So I keep telling him कि don't buy a phone, you know, actually buy some jewelry or buy some lipsticks or something for me which I like.
जो काम आए.
I'm okay with this old phone. I don't mind this old phone.
So this was one of the funniest one-word, one-line answer अभी तक. So thank you so much. You were more than ready. I can see that. So I'm going to ask you a few more questions. जैसे आप you mentioned Percy. Your relationship with Percy is an inspiration, and it's all over the media. I mean, people have actually see this relationship grow into something beautiful. इसका question ये है, how beautiful has it been in the lockdown? वो घर के कामों में कुछ मदद हो रही है कि नहीं?
Like that was my first answer to you when even before you asked me, that I think I'm really blessed to have a person like Percy. We do have our ups and downs. We do have our little jokes, our little fights where I am the more, you know, I am the loud person. I shout, I scream, and he says, calm down, calm down. Abhi just half an hour back I shouted and he's like, calm down, why are you screaming? So I am like that. But having said all of this, I think we make a very balanced couple because ye hona chahiye. Somebody like me who's eccentric and somebody like him who's calm. And I think in the lockdown we've had the best time together because he is a very non-interfering and non-disturbing partner. So when I need him, he's always there to give suggestions, to advise, and of course to help in whichever way. Wow. I think that person becomes a very selfless person in my eyes, which I've always said that one thing about Percy that I've always loved from day one is that selfless nature, be it his parents, be it anybody, or be it any friend that he's just met and he's like that person. Bas Percy ko us person pe dil aa jana chahiye, and he's so selfless that he will remove the morsel from his plate and give it to that person and say, nahi bhai, tu kha, main bhukha rahunga, you know. So he's that kind of a person. So I think for me to have somebody like this, and then he balances me out. So like I'm also good natured, but because of him, it's like, you know, thoda balance ho jata hai, because I can be a little mad at times, and you know, I don't have anything in my heart, like no malice, but you know, sometimes there's anger. So basically he balances that out, and like I said, that he's helped me so much in this lockdown. Like, you know, everything for him was, no, Delu will not do it alone. Why should she do it alone? We have to work together to you know. So bhale hum log kabhi when it started, we had no clue how to do the housework and kitna kaam hoga. Hum log 5 baje tak lunch nahi karte the, Sujay. Okay. मैं सुबह खाना बनाती जाती थी, बनाती 3 घंटे 4 घंटे किचन में. Percy would do the other cleaning of the house, then I would do something else. बर्तन तो कभी complete ही नहीं होते थे, पूरा दिन चलते रहते थे बर्तन. So you know, things like that, and then ultimately we've come to a point after 4 months that we are so relaxed today, and we're doing everything very comfortably, casually.
And you know, that has set now.
Yes, and it's because the two of us were on the same page and are always on the same page. Right. So there are times when there are arguments, but then we come to a point where either of us just say that, no, I think you're right, and we have to go by that. And that's how a relationship should be. Yes. I feel there has to be a lot of respect for each other, and ultimately that goes a long way.
आजकल वैसे भी लॉकडाउन में सारे स्केड्यूल्स जो है ना, सोने के और जागने के भी चेंज हो गए हैं. आई जस्ट नोटिस यू मेंशन दैट यू स्टार्टेड कुकिंग समथिंग. कोई हमारे व्यूअर्स के लिए रेसिपी है रात के 12 बजे के हंगर पैंग्स के लिए? lockdown mein.
I think the best thing one can do is make an omelette.
Yeah.
Yeah, and make a nice cheese omelette. Make, you know, omelette is the easiest because आपकी जो भी सब्जी भी आपको अगर काट के रख, कुछ भी हो आपके घर में, तो फटाफट आपने काट दिया. If people eat eggs, उसको फेंट दिया and अच्छा सा एक fluffy omelette कर दिया. No need for bread, no need for roti. Like, you know, it's a good meal.
Also, it's good for you as well.
Yeah, it's absolutely tasty. You want to make it spicy, you can make it spicy because I love everything spicy. तो मैं तो spicy डाल देती हूँ.
Super. अगर spicy अच्छा लगता है तो you are missing golgappa and all, no?
I see. So for me, Delhi is like my second home.
Yeah.
Actually, the whole of last year, we were most of the times in Delhi because I am associated with a theatre group called Felicity,
Yes.
which is doing a lot of plays in Delhi and all over India.
Mhm.
So for the past 2 years, we've done some super productions together. So I act in those plays, and you know, we've had some great experiences.
Great experience.
And Delhi आना जाना लगा रहता है. So basically Delhi के गोलगप्पे and छोले भटूरे and all that is like very usual.
Yes, yes. You've acted in you've acted in films, इतने सारे TV shows, इतने सारे theatre किए हैं. Which one do you prefer कि मतलब इसमें मैं most comfortable, I really like doing this?
To be very honest, Sujay, I started with theatre. So theatre becomes my first love. मैं कभी theatre छोड़ नहीं सकती.
ये आंसर एक्सपेक्ट कर भी रहा. मुझे लग रहा था आप theatre first love बोलोगे. I've seen your lots of plays and performances, so I knew.
Really, that's super. So I think I love being on stage, and stage somehow, like I just mentioned to you, stage I've done different kind of things, not only comedy. I've been around and done different stuff, and I rule the stage. Once I come on stage, I'm the queen. So basically, you know, ऐसा होता है ना, जो satisfaction एक artist को मिलती है, वो बड़ा अच्छा लगता है मुझे stage पे रहना. So I think that part of it, like if you ask me, I love it completely because even the audience reaction and all of that is superb. It's like spontaneous. पैसे कमाने के लिए भैया टीवी चाहिए. so
right.
पैसों के लिए टीवी चाहिए. And movies is the future. I feel it's something that makes history. तो आप अपने बच्चों को भी, अरे मैंने ये पता है, मैंने ये फिल्म की थी, 100 साल बाद भी आप जिंदा रहोगे किसी की नजरों में, है ना? तो I feel these are the 3 genres which you cannot avoid, and at the same time they're equally important in their own space. And you cannot even compare. So for me, theatre is life.
Yes.
TV is my bread and butter, cheese and jam.
Yes.
And movies make history.
Yeah.
So that's how I define all 3.
So very well put. You've actually won a lot of more fans over just by this statement. You've so categorized these 3 genres in such a beautiful way. बहुत ही बढ़िया.
So it's very simple. So you know, it's like that. And because I've been a theatre person, a dedication अपने आप आ जाता है. मैं हमेशा लोगों को बोलती हूँ, जो भी एक्टर बनना चाहते हैं, मैं हमेशा बोलती हूँ कि I have learned on job. मैं कोई ना एक्टिंग स्कूल गई हूँ, ना कोई मैंने वर्कशॉप्स किए, ना कुछ. I have learned everything on job. And job मतलब I have learned what is stage lighting, what is backstage, what is the meaning of handling properties, what is it to give an actor a property before the entry, how all this is put together. So basically I've learned from being a backstage worker to being a Stepney dancer of Shamak Davar's group, to being a dancer, to being an actress, to being the main lead.
So I think if you've done everything, तो हम दिलनाज़ को कब डायरेक्शन में देखेंगे? I think अब आ गया. कुछ
Actually, इस कोरोना ने मेरा डायरेक्शन रोक लिया. कोरोना के डायरेक्शन की वजह से मेरा डायरेक्शन घूम गया. So basically, I was about to start with directing a play because that's the safest. But somehow because of this lockdown and stuff, so I have done all my homework. I have completed all the groundwork that I had to do. So hopefully, I don't know, because theatre, I guess, is the last thing that will start. या हमारी एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री को जो फटका पड़ा है ना बिकॉज ऑफ दिस इज लाइक
आई थिंक द ओनली एंटरटेनमेंट इंडस्ट्री जो अच्छा से परफॉर्म अभी भी कर रही है दैट इज द ओटीटी प्लेटफॉर्म्स.
या
सब लोग घर पे बैठ के मोबाइल पे ओटीटी पे लगे हुए हैं.
यस या
राइट. सही है, बढ़िया. ये भी दिस इज आल्सो समथिंग. सो योर एनी अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स दैट यू आर प्लानिंग अपार्ट फ्रॉम द थिएटर, एंड ऑफ कोर्स जब भी आपका थिएटर का प्लान होगा आप मेरे को जरूर अपडेट करना. आई विल बी योर फर्स्ट पर्सन सिटिंग.
Sure, anytime. So all my plays, I think we will revive all my plays which are there.
Okay.
Wrong Number is an out and out comedy. और आपको अगर comedy पसंद है, stage पे I think comedy works the best because people after a hard day's work they want to come and see good comedy. So there are all these stalwarts. There's Rakesh Bedi ji, there's Avtar Gill ji, there's Kishore Merchant, there's Rahul himself. Rahul is my producer, Rahul Butcher, who is my producer, and he is also.
Please बताओ आप, please बताओ.
जी मैं बताऊंगी. So basically Wrong Number is there. There's a play called Hello Zindagi which has 5 women, and that's a little hatke play. Okay. I would love you to come and see that also, and I will tell all the Delhi audience also to come when we come to Delhi. Please come and shower all the love and please watch it. थोड़ा एक सीट छोड़ के बैठना लेकिन आना जरूर मास्क पहन के सैनिटाइज करके आना जरूर.
Actually this is the kind of thing that we all need, this laughter, this happiness in our life. ऐसे लॉकडाउन अभी तक मेरे ख्याल में हमारी जिंदगी में हमने कभी देखा नहीं है. ऐसा कुछ लॉकडाउन है. Any message that you want to give all the people who are actually a little sad कि भाई ये कब खत्म होगा?
Sujay, more than sad, I feel people have become very bitter and negative. Like if I see on Instagram, if I see on Twitter, if I see on YouTube, you know, people have become very, very bitter about things, any little thing. And हमारे यहाँ बहुत herd mentality भी हो जाती है. किसी ने गाली दी तो 10 लोगों ने और गाली बक दी. You know, लगे रहो भाई, लगे रहो उसी में. किसी ने रोकने की कोशिश की तो उसको भी गाली पड़ गई. I think people very very unreal as far as negativity is concerned. You know, कुछ भी बकवास, कुछ भी बोलना, किसी को भी कुछ भी बोलना without knowing that person, you know, अनशन. So I feel because of this lockdown, I guess negativity तो है ही, but people have also become very, very bitter, and I think that's very, very common because everybody has a lot of time on hand. करे तो क्या करे? You know, work options are little. People who are working from home, fine, but people who are not, and you know, there's financial crunch, there is emotional trauma, there's all of this, there's stress at home. So I have always said, whenever I have, you know, kind of spoken also, I always feel के एक बात होती है कि आप एक इंटरव्यू दे रहे हो या किसी को ज्ञान दे रहे हो तो आप बड़ी बड़ी बातें कर सकते हो, लेकिन यू नो व्हाट आई फील कि जो जैसे मैंने किया, अगर आई हैव एक्सपीरियंस दिस एंड आई एम शेयरिंग माय एक्सपीरियंस, आई थिंक दैट्स द बेस्ट वे टू इम्पार्ट सम नॉलेज टू समबडी. बिकॉज आप बोलते तो आप बोलोगे, अगर मैं एक चीज बोलूं कि अरे यार ऐसे करना चाहिए, वैसे करना चाहिए, जो खुद इतना डिफिकल्ट हो मेरे लिए, लेकिन अगर मैं ये बोलूं कि यार मैंने ये चीजें की है, यू नो, व्हाई डोंट यू ट्राई? सो आई पिक्ड अप अ हॉबी ऑनलाइन, लाइक जैसे मैंने Zumba kiya online for a few days.
Yes.
I also started making small short videos for Insta, and you know, like I've been following your Insta. Yes, with a lot of cleaning and with a lot of, you know, intricate cleaning at home. What I did was I got all my throwback pictures, all my black and white photographs, and you know, so made a nice collage, like wrote something in my diary, and you know, utilized all that time to do small things which don't take a lot of money or anything. It's just very little. किसी को गार्डनिंग अच्छी लगती है तो भाई किसी ने गार्डनिंग कर ली, किसी को अगर योगा बहुत अच्छा लगता है तो किसी ने घर पे बैठ के योगा कर लिया. अभी मैंने अपने आप को यू नो, मैंने बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट्स किए. बेचारे पर्सी ने वो खाना खाया भी, अब बोलता गया बेचारा बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है. कितना अच्छा है मुझे नहीं मालूम, बट या लाइक आई कुक्ड You know, so there are so many things that one can really do and divert your mind from all that negativity. Because once you get into doing a certain job which you really like, then I don't think any kind of negative area can be there. You know, it's all about doing something nice.
Right.
So in fact, I have बहुत बचपने की चीजें. Can you get me my book? That painting book. I have bought this from an online thing. See this, and मैंने एक मेरी दोस्त को देखा था इंस्टा पे ये करते हुए, and I have just colored this. If you can see. बहुत बच्चागिरी, आपको बहुत बच्चे ये पूरी बुक है अभी. ये पूरी बुक है of nature and animals and birds and I don't know what all. अब मुझे इसका शौक चढ़ा है तो मैं ये करती हूँ. So you know, you're anything, even if I feel that, you know, I'm doing probably what a 12 or a 14-year would do, or maybe a 10-year would do, but I'm doing something which is not harming anybody else. I'm sitting in a corner and doing this, which is giving me a lot of happiness.
Yes.
You know,
प्लस बहुत सारा अपने आप को ना सेल्फ एनालाइज करने का भी मौका मिलता है. You know, you keep thinking and you do your creativity and everything. अब आपने इतनी बढ़िया कलरिंग की है, कोई भी अगर देखेगा बोलेगा यार ये क्या बच्चों वाली बात है. बट अगर आप इसको डीपली देखेंगे ना, उस टाइम में जब आप वो कलरिंग कर रहे हो, आपकी क्रिएटिविटी भी आ रही है, and you know, you are thinking about a lot of things. So I'm sure this
also one more thing I would like to tell people, that you know, being spiritual also is a very, very important, it can be a very important part of your life, and it really helps, you know. So I do diya batti in the evening, and Parsis have a constant diya which is मतलब हमारे religion की prayers तो है ही powerful, but in spite of being a Parsi, I am a Hanuman ji bhakt, I am a Shiv ji bhakt, I am a Ganpati ji bhakt. तो ये सारे गॉड्स मेरे मंदिर में है. मेरे घर में बकायदा एक हिंदू मंदिर है. हिंदू मंदिर में बोलती हूँ उनको, क्योंकि मतलब सारे गॉड्स की फोटो, लक्ष्मी, it's a entire setup of murtis, and I do my agarbatti, I pray, and that really gives me a lot of strength. Believe you me, there is nothing like the strength from above. So that gives me a lot of strength, a lot of peace. So that is also something that, you know, you can inculcate. It doesn't start in a day, but of course you can start from somewhere.
Yes.
You see?
That's nice. That's nice. Thank you so much, Danlas, for joining in today. It was such a pleasure having you. हमारे audiences ने questions की line लगा दी है, and I'm going to tell everyone right now, I'll make sure these questions are answered by Danlas. She is very supportive in answering every question. Thank you so much, Danlas, for joining in today.
Thank you, Sujay.
Please stay safe. अगर आप सभी को ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा तो लाइक जरूर करें, एंड Danlas के पेज को फॉलो करें. बहुत मजेदार अपडेट्स आते हैं.
Thank you so much, Sujay. Thank you so much. It was lovely talking to you. Bye.
So this was Danlas Irani, जिनके साथ की हमने बहुत सारी मजेदार बातें. अगले हफ्ते एक और बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग पर्सनालिटी को लेके आऊंगा, जिनके साथ भी हम करेंगे बहुत ही इंटरेस्टिंग बातें. अगर आपको ये वीडियो अच्छा लगा हो तो लाइक करें, फ्रेंड्स एंड फैमिली के साथ शेयर जरूर करें, और हाँ, सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें चैनल को. Till next Saturday, I hope and I pray that you stay safe and protected. Till then, namaskar.